Thank you, ate. I was today useful.
May ganun pala yun? Dati dito ko pa naman binubuksan yan eh.
Bye.
Laking mahal eh.
Try lang namin ano.
Ang ano no? Ang...
Piskoff.
600. Uy!
Okay.
Game ng Pokemon Diamond sa Nintendo. Dito ko yung Pokemon Sword.
Earth? Earth? Ayun na pala. Nugget. The shoot. Good boy. Spin. Spin.
Nakalimutan mo na?
Nugget.
Yung
Spin.
mga maliliit ang nagsispin, no?
Spin.
Tama niya eh.
Nugget.
Oo.
Spin. Oh, nugget. Spin. Spin.
Ha, pati si Apple.
Spin. Ay, spin.
Ang katagal din nag-urge.
Apple. Uy, uy! Give po. Uy, yung galing. Lie down. Apple, lie down. Good girl si Apple. Good girl.
Nags na.
Good boy.
Bitawan yan.
Girl. Now na.
Cute. Champion.
Yeah. Hindi tulad ng cheesecake na...
Ikaw ba?
Dito yung record ko. Camera na. Bigat lang eh. May handy filter na siyang preset. Yung camera, yung ano nila. Passion fruit.
Meron po siyang coconut egg.
Thank
You.
you. Long time pa.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay po. Thank you. Ano?
Amazing.
Super cute.
Ang ganda. Yan na nga yun, Bien.
Ay, wait lang.
Sirloin.
Carmela ba? Carmela o Siyempre, sabi ko. Nag-team ako, di ba?
That's about the gig behind this. Panel to frame storytelling with cosplay photography. Ladies and gentlemen, from Canada, Jay Tablante.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Scott was a tough act to follow, so I'm not so sure how I'm going to be pulling this off.
Everybody is a creative, particular brand or particular scale or parameters of a shoot, and you're made to think rather within those bounds. So it can make you more creative. It's such an irony that a brand limits you, but at the same time makes you more creative. Which I did. I posted these photos months apart. People wouldn't tell. Pero nung pinagtabi ko sila, same location.
Ginawa ko siya 3 times. I maximized it. And this is...
Living in the Philippines, known for transforming how love stories are told on screen. With his signature cinematic style and emotional storytelling, he has built a career capturing real moments with beauty and honesty. Ladies and gentlemen, from Sony Philippines, Mr. Jason Magbanua.
Hi everybody, good afternoon. Thank you for being here. But you know, here we are, year 25.
Same love Christ has shown us.
Because part of what I do, it's not just about the wedding videos that I make, but it's part of my service that I give to the clients. Very important, whether you're a photographer or videographer, right? The client is not the enemy. It's always, what can I do to make it better, right? Because everybody tells a different story, and therefore I must translate that story in a different manner.
Inviting everyone here, another discussion.
Video yan, hello! Nakuha daw, Juan?
Ayoko niyan.
Hotdog is life.
Naku!
Si Sugar!
Si... Jinggoy.
Si RM.
Ni Carlo ito.
Jean, umuwi ka please.
Numbers lang naman.
Kulay. J-Hope.
Ticket, tapos na.
Alam mo yung itsura ni Jean, ah?
Wait lang, wait lang. Ano yan? Tingnan. Ay, iba.
Sorry, na-excite ako.
So, this hindi ko. Isa-isa na nila. Kaya yung sabay-sabay siguro. Oo. O, isa. Sunod-sunod na ako. Para ma-motivate, kompletuhin. Take out.
Yes, I'm so happy.
stretching kaya. Hindi mga basic stretching na.
Narinig ko yun ah. Narinig ko yun ah. Bagay ko rin sa
Wala, safe.
Hindi na nilang itawag. Ang gipot! Nagsuka?
Nag-alala ito. Iba kami sa labas, kami dalawa kasi iyak ka nila ako ang kotse.
Wait lang na, sabihan kita. Ay, grabe. Nalulusaw na. So nga?
Pinitigan pa. Lola mo tutukin. Hanggang kapilya yan. Sabi niya. Nanalangin daw, nautot siya. Eh di ba Armalite ko. Naramdaman daw niya, gumanon yung katabi niya, hindi daw siya nagre-react. Mara, hindi rin niya alam